Hello everyone, my name is Chris Powers. This is my demonstration speech. Once again in the garage, yes, I like the stage. So anyway, my class is about land navigation. It's just a brief crash course land navigation. I'm going to show you how to orient a map. I'm going to show you the tools that you need to orient a map. I'm going to teach you some various things that you might need to know in the event that you do have this map and the tools that I'm about to show you. So I've got 8 years experience in the Army. I've taught land navigation numerous times to various audiences, ranging from 10 to 25 soldiers. I've been quite successful. Most of the time that I teach my land navigation courses, everyone seems to have a comfortable grasp about my land navigation courses. Although this will not be one of those courses. This is just a basic crash course. I don't have enough time to show you guys the extended version. So what I'm going to do is demonstrate to you guys a few of the tools of the trade. First and foremost, you need a map. Apologize for the blurriness, but this is a 1 in 50,000 scale map supplied to me by the United States Army. Right here, you're going to see grid north and magnetic north, and it's going to give you the delineation or the separation in mils and how to calculate that so that you can find your way. If you can see that, like I said, the resolution might not be that great, but either way, these are grid squares. Each one of these are grid squares, and each grid represents 1,000 square kilometers. In each direction, from one grid line to the next, is 1 kilometer. And this is the first portion of your grid coordinate. And right here at the bottom will give you the second portion of your grid coordinate. That will give you an idea on where to be within 1,000 meters of your location. Right? The second tool that I have is a compass. I have a LensAttic compass, general issue. This thing is pretty nice. This symbols right here glow in the dark. I don't know if you can see that or not. Too much glare. There we go. And right here on the side, you have a scale that you can use to plot straight line destinations if you're traveling on foot. All right. Now the preferred method for using this is the cheek method. That way you can look through the little lens. You get an idea of this little line right here. If you can see the line right through that little gap. And you peer through that and you can see the degrees in which you're traveling in the direction you're going. Thirdly, I'm a protractor. You definitely need one of these if you want to pinpoint exact locations on your map on where you are in correlation to where you need to be. Got a 1 in 50,000 scale for my 1 in 50,000 map. If you're using a 1 in 100,000 scale map, it also has that on there. And if you're using a 1 in 25,000 scale or 1 in 250,000 scale, it's also got that on there. The final thing you'll need is a pencil. write down your coordinates. Draw a direct line to where you want to go in correlation from where you are, from point A to point B, basically. So I'm going to take my map. I've got my protractor, and I'm going to line that up with the grid square that I'm in, and pinpoint my location, right? And then I'm going to look on the map and see where I want to go, and I'm going to use the protractor to pinpoint my location on the map where I want to go. And then I can use the edge of the protractor right here, or I can use the edge of my compass as a straight line to plot the distance and direction that I need to go. So if you don't know where you are, you want to use terrain association. You want to look around, see what's around you. If you're in an urban location, you want to look at water towers, buildings, and stuff like that, because those are shown. Those are shown on this map. Water towers, actually a tower right there. Mountains, hills, wood lines, trees, roads, things of that nature. If you're in a rural area, then you want to look more of the mountainous type terrain, the trees, if there's any lakes or ponds around, things of that nature. So you'll orient your map on the ground using your compass, and you'll line your compass up with the magnetic north indicated on the map, so that you know exactly which direction you're going or you want to go, and where you've been if you've already plotted. Now the direction is called an azimuth, and a reverse direction is called a reverse azimuth. So that is a crash course on land navigation and map reading. Some of the tools that are used in the trait. It's very, very, very interesting. I enjoy land navigation and map reading because you never want to be lost. You never want to be lost out there in the cold and not know where you're going, not know where you've been, and you just want to basically know where you're going. So this concludes my brief demonstration, my informative speech. If you guys have any questions, you can post on my links. But again, that wraps this up. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching.